So this is our dance cover of Shoot Out by MONSTA X that we went through in my K-pop workshop in Arizona last week. I personally really enjoyed doing that dance. The dance itself is not that hard, but the choreography is really cool, so as music. So I highly recommend you guys dance that song as well. If you want to learn the choreography, I have a tutorial video, so make sure to scroll down, find the URL, and let's dance together. I also have this workshop every Tuesday and Thursday in Arizona from 8 to 9 p.m. So if you live in here, just join us. It's really fun workshop. And you can make a lot of friends who loves K-pop as well. Please don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys next week. Bye! 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.